Eddie again. That's my mom. She's sick. She's sick because she's pregnant. Right? Sometimes that happens. You get sick and you're pregnant. Right?
No, I'm not sick because I'm pregnant. I'm sick and I'm pregnant.
Yeah, why? Why? What day will you feel better? When you have the baby? Maybe the day when you have the baby you will get better.
What?
Maybe the day when you have the baby you will get better.
Well, hopefully before then.
I don't know why I cough every time.